southwestern Spencer County in southwestern Indiana, Henderson County in northwestern Kentucky, Davis County in northwestern Kentucky, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:40 p.m., severe winds out ahead of approaching thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Mount Vernon to near Evansville to near Eureka to Osville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. There have been reports of 50 to 60 miles per hour winds with this line. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evansville, Owensboro, Henderson, Newburgh, Rockport, Corydon, Whitesville, Robards, Knoxville, St. Joseph, Masonville, Stanley, Eureka, Moseleyville, Pleasant Ridge, and Edwardsville. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following county: Spencer, Indiana, and the following counties in Kentucky, Davis and Henderson.